Hi to everyone. In this exercise, we are going to interface our RFID with our Arduino IDE. This RFID reader module helps to identify the unique person by reading a card. We can give a RFID tag to many persons. Everyone have a unique RFID tag. By scanning a tag, we can predict who is entering into a house or into office. That type of approach can be done with the help of this RFID. In this implementation, we are going to fix RFID tag in a vehicle or something. With the help of that, we are going to predict that whether the vehicle is ambulance or some other vehicle. If the ambulance reaches means automatically the traffic light is going to operate in an automatic manner. That's why the traffic can be controlled and the ambulance can move from one place to another without any delay. That type of approach can be done with the help of this implementation. For this, we need a components of Arduino UNO, RFID reader, 2 RFID tags, 2 different color of LEDs, and to connect your sensor, we need a jumper wires. And let's head into our practical approach.
So here this is a coding to make use of your RFID. This module helps to read the data from the RFID tag, and that tag is going to predict whether the vehicle is ambulance or other vehicles. If the predicted ID is ambulance means at the time we have to control the traffic, then only the ambulance can move without any restriction. So that's the thing we are going to predict here. So here we are going to use the 2 different type of libraries. First one is a SPI, Serial Peripheral Interface. This library helps to transmit or receive the data towards your Arduino. And then MFRC 522.h. This will have a reader and writer IC that helps to build a contactless communication concept. That's why in RFID, this library helps to read the data from the RFID receiver tag. Here we have assigned a pin number towards that MRFC library, and then that library starts to implement. This condition will set to true when the new card have been predicted with the help of your RFID receiver. After predicting, it will find the serial from the corresponding ID. That ID will be printed in your serial monitor. So here the string and bytes have been received. That received bytes will be converted to a string. That string will be printed in your serial monitor. So here we have checked the condition whether the reader data have been matched with the ambulance ID or other vehicles. So as per the matching, the alarm will start to blow. Otherwise, the signal LED will automatically changes to overcome the traffic in the way the ambulance move towards the destination. Now you can check it on your tools. Here the port, your Arduino should be selected, and you can upload. And after uploading, you can open your serial monitor to check out your output. Here we are having 2 different type of IDs. So now you are going to scan one of the ID. When you try to scan your ID, it will predict the corresponding ID is not ambulance. So at the time, your LED will start to blow and you can receive a data, that means your tag ID, and also it will intimate it's not ambulance, it's other vehicle. When you show your ambulance card, at the time it will predict the corresponding is the ambulance, and also alarm intimation will start to blow. This helps to know the public near to the traffic signal. That's in a few seconds the ambulance is going to cross the signal. So this is a ambulance code and this is a other vehicle code. In this type of scenario, you can predict how you have to make use of your RFID for predicting ambulance or some other vehicles. Your complete connection can be checked in your description. It will be useful to connect your Arduino with your RFID module.
And that's the thing. To implement your exercise, all your coding will be available in the link which will be provided in the description. Make use of that link and you can get your coding and all those libraries to execute your concept. Keep trying and implement your concept and keep on learning, and let's have a beautiful career, and all the best.